Hey y'all, so this is the final review for my wig I got from Bilyreal Hair. They are an Amazon hair vendor, and they sent me this deep wave 14-inch wig. It's a lace front 13x4 lace front wig, and I absolutely love it. Guys, all the parting space. What? It's some pretty good parting space. Now, you can bleach the knots, so it is human hair. A treatment on the hair. I did a silicone mix with the Adore Crystal Clear. I did do that on the hair to make sure that the hair, you know, stays soft and shiny. It does say that it's a HE lace. It's not. It's a transparent lace, but it still definitely melts, as you can clearly see. Let me show you the back. I did water, a denim brush, and a little bit of the Got2b foam, mousse foam. That's all you need to get these curls defined like this. The only con I have with this hair is that it's for girls with little heads. I'm a 22-inch circumference, so I'm a medium-sized head. And this is definitely for girls that is a 21 and a half and below. So if you don't know how to measure your head, I suggest you learn how to measure your head, because when you buy a wig that's not custom made, you know, I think that's just something that you need to know. Know your head measurement, okay? And my head measurement is 22. So this was a bit small on my head, but I definitely finessed it. So what I'm going to end up doing with this wig is just basically making it a closure wig, which is fine because I'm not really a frontal girl anyways. But if you are a frontal girly, if you know how to finesse a small wig and making it, you know, making it to your head size, fantastic. I've seen a lot of girls online do it. I tried to do it. It did not work out, which is fine. So I'm just going to wear it down the middle like I always do and keep my sides out. So this wig is $59. Okay, $59. That's a good deal. And last time I looked, which was yesterday, they had a 20% coupon that's automatically attached to the item in the cart. So you can get 20% off your total price for this wig if you order it on Amazon. So would I buy this wig? Absolutely. For the price? For the price? Absolutely. So I hope you enjoyed this quick review about this wig I got from Bilyreal Hair from Amazon. And I'm always here to give y'all a nice budget-friendly wig or whatever, and this is definitely a budget-friendly review if you like curly hair, you know what I mean? So anyways, I will see y'all in the next tutorial. Peace and bliss.